Introducing the Learning Python course. Python is an excellent programming language for beginners or those new to programming. Python has a simple syntax and is easy to read, making it a great language for first time to learn. Python is used in web development, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and scientific computing. Python is open source and can be used by beginners, intermediate, and experienced programmers. As you can see here, you can purchase the Python course with a 20% off using the code SCHOOL until the end of 2024. Once you have purchased, all you have to do is log in. Under My Account, you go to Paid Content, or under here, you can simply go down to Paid Content. And as you can see here, this is the Learning Python course. So I'm going to click on this. And this is the Learning Python. You see all the information here, what you need. You don't need an IDE or a text editor because you can use the built-in one, including a compiler. So if you want to use an external text editor and install Python yourself, you can go ahead, you're welcome to do that. So some of the topics that will be you can learn here include the Python syntax, and as you can see here, this is the IDE. So I can type something like print hello world, and you click on compile, and then it will be printed down here. So it also automatically remembers what page or what page of the course, version of the course. And remember, once you complete the course, there's also a certificate right at the end. Let's go back here. There's a certificate. Once you complete the course, you just enter your name. It will print the certificate out for you. Thank you.